Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Xiaomi 17T. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our device, and of course I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with a recommended method, which is a reboot through the power menu, and to do it we gotta click power button and volume up button to launch the power menu, just like that. Now all we need to do is to select the reboot function, and now if you release your finger, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and our device will be ready to use. Also, as we launch the power menu, we can see the other method, and it's the force restart. We just need to hold the power button for 11 seconds to force reboot our device. This method is recommended, for example, when our device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. So let's hold the power button. Okay, and when the screen turns off, we can release our power button. The Xiaomi logo has appeared, so now we just need to simply wait until it turns on. We'll see our home screen within a few seconds. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.